Okay, so we're back, and we've given this about 12 minutes to harden, and as you can see, it has hardened. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up another batch, and then transfer that to walls, and then tape the walls. So we'll take this half of the pie here. Load this up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my fiberglass mesh tape and my 8-inch trowel to tape up these butt joints here. Okay, so this has hardened. It's not completely dry, but it's hard enough to where we can work right on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my trowel to the other side here and just lightly scrape away any lines that were left when I packed them. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to take my mesh tape here. There's a sticky side to it, and that's going to go towards the wall here. Apply this like this. Cut it there. And then once again, this is the stuff that connects the two pieces of drywall together. And if you don't have this, then the walls will just crack again. This right there. And now I'm going to take my Caulking trowel, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to load this up like that, and then I'm going to use the hawk here to hold the tape in place so that it doesn't slide when I do that. Just drag this across. Okay, so it's all loaded up there, and now what I'm going to do is reduce it. And I'm skimming above the top here and the bottom. I'm just skimming tight so that I'm not going to need to sand much once this dries. Reorganize it, put it in the middle, give it a little shake. Again, use the corner of the hawk here. And pull down. Okay, so now these are both taped up. Here, I'm going to add a little bit more here. String here is getting caught. Just going to add a little bit more mud. Okay, so we're just going to let that sit there. I'm pretty happy with it. There is a line there. No big deal. We'll just let this dry here, and then I'll just take my blade and just get rid of that ridge line there. So once again, this is properly taped now, and then I'll be back to skim the whole wall. Okay, so we have our mud on our hawk here. I have my 12x4 trowel, and we're going to be skim coating both the ceiling and the walls here. So let's get started. I'm gonna get some more mud right here. Now that we're in the corner here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the bottom of it, so it just applies it just shy of the corner. So that's how it loads up. So now that that is loaded up here, we're going to hit the corners. Now we're going to be skimming the walls here. I got the first coat up on the ceiling, and that's drying. Now I don't really want to go close to the corner here because A, this is still wet, and B, it's still wet in the corner here. So we're just going to come out close, and we'll finish out the corners with the 4-inch knife. So load this up. Clean it off, reorganize it, load it up again.